As you can see, we got the Mach 1 on the dyno today. This is just the baseline numbers. So if you're new to this channel, check out some of my previous videos. This thing is getting the Hellion Sleeper twin turbo package. It's been ordered about a month ago. We just installed oil pump gears in the last 2 videos. And then this was the baseline dyno video just to see a starting point, okay? A couple things to note, we're in Salt Lake City, so we're on 91 octane gas. There was no tuning done on the run. The only thing that has changed that could affect really performance in any way, maybe, is there's no resonator on here. So basically it's got catch cans, it's got a resonator delete, and it's got oil pump gears. That's it, no tuning. So check out what it makes on the dyno. I was pretty surprised. Oh, last thing, this is a manual car. So this is a 6-speed manual. So now, as you saw the video make a couple pulls, we did pulls in 4th and 5th gear because 5th gear is 1-to-1 in this car. Turns out it really doesn't make much of a difference in terms of power. And I think 4th gear is just easier on things because you're not winding it out for so long. So I know people may comment on that, but we did try pulls in 4th and 5th. And what I can tell you is it maybe picked up 1 horsepower, 2 horsepower in 5th. So we're good there. The only reason we do that is because the Tremec 3160 that's found in the Mach 1 and the GT350 has different ratios than the MT82. So here, let me post up the numbers and let me know what you think for this baseline. Now that we have the baseline out of the way, we kind of know a good starting point. It'll be fun to overlay those graphs after we get the turbos installed. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see the updates on this. I've been really trying to post a video once a week. Like I said, I ordered the turbo kit back in early May. It was a 5 to 7 week lead time, but I have heard just due to everything going on right now that lead times are a little higher. I was told by Hellion that my kit would ship at the end of June, so we shall see. I'll see what kind of content I can bring you guys. I'm trying to keep everybody updated. I know some people have ordered Mach 1s and they're watching my videos because they're excited to get theirs. So that's going to do it for today. Like I said, go and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Can't wait to get turbos on this thing and see what it'll do with some boost. Thanks for checking in. Have a great weekend, everybody.